Okay, in last class we just defined a character value. Now in this class I just explain string value and floating value. So that is why I just need another character named float. Okay, and I want to store some value in it. It is 1.1. Okay, and I have integer value of C. It is B. In C I want to store value 3.3. Okay, and I just need 3 output explaining everything clearly. Slash backslash n stand for new line, backslash n stand for new line, and I add here. No need to add here. I just call B character here and C character from here. Okay, so I stored a value into the E into A, store value B 1.1 and 3.3. It just display me just simple 3. Now I'm going to Control S, compile this 0 warning and go through it. And here you can see that it is not displaying me the output because I just call C and C. It is stand for character, but we have value is floating data type and integer data type. That is why I just type here this value is floating and this value is integer. That is why I just add D for decimal. Okay, I compile it and execute it. It just display me right format. We stored E, it display me E. We stored 1.1 floating value, it display me float value, and we stored also float value into the integer, but it just display me 3. It is 3.3 because it is not displaying any pointed value. Okay, and now at this time I just close it here, and I have another program. In this I have extended with a string value. How to store a string value you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to save it, save as with a string. So in format same like format string.c. Okay, and two file has been saved. Now I'm going to compile this and execute it. Scanf means it gives me input from user. It is a function, it is input function which uh, get interface with the user. It means that enter name. For suppose I want to add name as a David. Okay, John. So I just add name here, David John, and I'm going to close all output files. Okay, whatever I give name here, it is stored into the string format. Okay, and called with name variable. Here I have declared with size 3. Okay, it just display me right here and call with name. Okay, so I compile it again and come back here. I just said name David John and enter. It just display me David. Why it just display me David? Because the size of name is it is very less, so that is why I just said here 20. Increase the size of variable, and I compile it again and execute it. I just said David John and hit enter. It's just simply the best display mean David. Okay, I just say 100, compile it and go through it. only one value can be stored in it. For suppose I go through it. For suppose I want to display David John without any space, it just display me David John Michael. It display me David John Michael. Okay, it will not display when we press space. Okay, it just display only character value of 3 letters. If I decrease the value for suppose 10 or 1, now just let me just check it out. David. Okay, displayed me. Process excited after 3.2 seconds. This is just explaining in how much time it will display me. Okay, good luck, bye.